Hi, I'm Dave Phillips. I'm the chemist at P&S Sales, and I'm here with Bob Phillips, the president of P&S Sales.
Actually, just his brother, really. And we're at the Rag Company today to share the versatility of Bead Maker, what we can use it on, what we can't use it on. I mean, that's the point of this segment right here, right, Dave?
Right. So, obviously, Bead Maker was originally developed for paint. So that is its #1 use. It's a versatile spray sealant that when you spray it over the surface of the paint, after you've wiped it and let it dry, it cures and forms a semi-durable film that's very, very slick and water beading.
Yeah. I mean, the key thing that Dave said is the versatility of the product. We get so many questions on what we can and can't put Bead Maker on. The strength of Bead Maker is it pretty much works on every surface. The only thing we don't put Bead Maker on is cloth and carpet on interiors. But essentially, even though the product was originally designed for paint, right? We use it on paint, we use it on coatings, we use it on PPF, we use it on top of wax, we use it before wax.
And we get a lot of questions about wraps, matte finishes, vinyl wraps, and it works incredibly well over there. It does not do, it doesn't change the look of the matte finish at all. It adds a slick finish and a beading property and cleans it up very nicely.
I mean, Dave, you brought up a good point. We get a lot of questions on, hey, if I'm gonna wax my car, should I strip the Bead Maker off? Should I do we need to worry about that?
No, it seems to work really well over just about every surface. So when you're talking about your other paint sealants, it works really well on those. It works really well on the coating materials. It works really well over over waxes. It works well over just a stripped paint as well.
Right, but what about like direct sunlight? Right, because we, at car shows we're in direct sunlight or in the shop, humidity, all those play a factor in Bead Maker, but how much does it really impact the effectiveness of the product?
So sunlight is fine. I think if you're in the middle of Arizona and you don't want to be out there, you probably don't want to be using Bead Maker either.
Obviously, when we're direct sunlight, we may not spray the product directly on the car. We'll spray it on the towel, then apply it. We adjust the technique based on what environment we're in. But the bottom line is, the high success rate of Bead Maker is what makes it such a popular product.
Absolutely.
I think one of the things is we use Bead Maker all the time. We kind of forget why Bead Maker is so unique. It's really about the touch and feel and that immediate gratification. The whole experience of Bead Maker is just, very, very positive.
Absolutely.